I know it's gonna be inaudible, but I'm gonna try to say something. Since I'm in Nigeria and I'm in Calabar, I decided to go all the way, you know, having all the maximum fun it ever required. So right now I'm going to meet most of the crackheads in Rio, and I decided just for the fun of it to go by ferry. And I'm here with other passengers, as you can see. I think they're all having fun. It reminds me, of that slavery period, but even though this is not slavery, we're going to Rio, traveling to Rio by ferry on our own free will. And here is the pilot, such an amazing guy, doing his job and making sure that, we're safe and secure on this trip. He calls it a cruise. That's what he chose to call it, a cruise. Whereas I'm going on a journey and he's saying that we're going on a 45 minutes cruise. Well, I think that sounds more interesting than, saying we're going on a boat journey, because it's actually good. Because the last time I took a cruise was in, I think, which country? Amsterdam. Yeah, Amsterdam was the last place I took a boat cruise for an hour. So I think be taking a boat cruise, a ferry cruise in my country to the destination I really want to go, I think it is something amazing. And you can see behind the pilot, that is Thierry. Thierry, what's up? Yeah, that's Thierry to you. I believe he's also enjoying the cruise. So it's been amazing to have this shooting experience in Nigeria. Like I say, I'm going to have all the fun that I want to have in this country. It's your boy, Crackhead, and I'm going to be enjoying this cruise.